What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Wegs Garage. We're just going to have a quick update this week, kind of give you an idea of where we're at with the project and where we're going to be going with it from here. So while I was away, Dad was working pretty hard. We realized we were missing these bars that go between the front of the car and the fenders. They're kind of like a grille support bar. So Dad actually made some of these. Check these out. They're really cool. So those came out really good. We might do a little how-to someday on that because, yeah, that turned out really great. He also bent the fuel line for the main line from the tank up to the engine bay, and that looks really awesome too. Cut some footage of that. So yeah, so now we're kind of just trying to get done, I guess, as much as we can to try to start the engine on this thing within the next couple weeks. So we got just a lot of little odds and ends. It's probably not going to make a great video, so I'll probably just cut to some time lapse. We're going to try and get as much done as we can, get this engine started, make sure everything runs great. And then we're going to finish up the body work and interior and all that stuff. So that's what we got coming up. Yeah, enjoy the video. Thanks. Somewhere along the way here, we actually lost our key to this ignition switch. But here's a quick tip. So you can buy a new switch. You can also buy just a new lock tumbler for the switch. And it's pretty easy to change. It's just got a little pin here that holds it in place. Take your switch, get a little piece of wire, and let's see here. Pull the old tumbler out. There it is. Take your new one. Stick it in. That's it. So, if you ever lose a key, that's how you fix that. Or, I guess, how you steal the car too if you really wanted to, but don't do that. Don't do that. That's rude. So that's what we got coming up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that great stuff. And again, thanks for everybody who's given us tips and hints and ideas on how to put this thing back together. So we're really looking forward to getting it back on the road. We'll see you next time.